Moving furniture is a real struggle. No matter how hard you try, you need more than one guy. Hi, I'm David Jones, here to show you how you can move any piece of furniture in your home by yourself. This is Easy Moves, the do-it-yourself furniture moving system. Now that's easy. Just lift, place, and slide. The Easy Moves furniture lifter gives you up to 10 times your natural strength. Then the Easy Moves slide right into place so that your furniture simply glides across any surface and then slide right out when you're done. Get your Easy Moves furniture system today.
SuperSliders are the perfect product for moving furniture with ease. Simply tilt and place sliders under each leg, then easily push or pull your furniture across carpet. Transition to hard surfaces by adding soft fabric socks. They work great under sofas, beds, tables, chairs, china cabinets, washers, dryers, and more. Avoid damaging your floors by using SuperSliders to move your furniture. Spring cleaning, redecorating, getting ready for the holidays. Everything is easy with SuperSliders with socks.
Look for other SuperSliders and soft touch products at a retailer near you.
The Harper Lightweight Multi-Purpose Dolly and Cart is perfect for all your home or office moving needs. 3-position telescoping handle adjusts up to 58 inches for comfortable handling. 300-pound dolly capacity. Easily converts from 2-wheel dolly to 4-wheel cart in seconds. Only weighs 18 pounds, up to 400-pound cart capacity. Compact for easy storage and transportation. Harper's exclusive nylon frame design is as strong as a steel dolly, but weighs 30% less and is rust and corrosion resistant. Save time, move it all in one trip. Large 8-inch mold-on rubber flat-free wheels and built-in frame glides easily go up or down stairs and curbs. Highly maneuverable in tight spaces, even fully loaded. When you need a lightweight, easy-to-use dolly or cart, the Harper Multi-Purpose Nylon Convertible Hand Truck and Cart is the perfect personal assistant for all your home, office, and moving needs. Harper trucks are made in the USA.
Are you moving in the next few months? Now you can make lifting easier with the shoulder dolly, the proven way to move anything safely, easily, and more efficiently. It's ideal for moving appliances, couches, and mattresses. The shoulder dolly works for both men and women, regardless of height, and can move items up to 9 feet in length. With the shoulder dolly, your hands and arms are free to open doors, to hold handrails, or to stabilize the object. And the ergonomic design allows you to stand upright when going up or down stairs. The shoulder dolly also helps avoid damage to walls, floors, and doors. The shoulder dolly kit includes everything 2 people need to move anything big and bulky.
Hello, this is Jesse with Rock and Roller. I'm here to show you the R6 RT Rock and Roller multi-car review. Here we have an R6 RT, weighs about 22 pounds. Basically how they work is you have a cable release mechanism. You lift up, pull up one handle, it'll lock in place. Same step on the other. And as you can see, it's already in a cart form here, and you can begin moving gear. But the beautiful thing about Rock and Roller is that you can actually extend this thing all the way up to 42 inches. So we'll go ahead and do that here. So now here you have 42 inches of loadable cargo space. Underneath you're going to see wing bolts, which will allow you to actually hug a particular load if you need it. On the top you're going to see grip tape along both sides. What this is going to do is allow you to stack lots of gear and create some friction so it won't fall off in corners or turns. You'll also notice in the back here we have an 8-inch R-Track tire. This particular tire is a foam core tire, so what that means to you is you have years of use without ever going flat on it. In the front, you're going to see 4-inch casters with a brake mechanism and a bearing mechanism for smooth transport. In the back here, you'll also notice we have stair climbers to help you up stairs, get you through potholes or rough areas. It'll hold up to 500 pounds, and you can stack it to your life's content. R6 will definitely take your light to mid-size limits.